A new study published in Nature Communications has found that rising temperatures caused by climate change are making sleep disorders like obstructive sleep apnea worse. The research analyzed over 62 million nights of sleep data from more than 116,000 people using non-invasive sensors placed under their mattresses. It offers one of the largest global insights into how heat affects sleep quality, especially for people with breathing difficulties during the night. The findings show that when average daily temperatures are higher, especially on warm nights, people are significantly more likely to experience sleep apnea. This condition causes breathing to repeatedly stop and start during sleep. It's not just about waking up tired. Untreated sleep apnea is linked to high blood pressure, heart problems, stroke, and even early death. The researchers found a strong connection between heat and the worsening of this condition. Warmer nights can make it more difficult for the body to breathe normally during sleep, leading to more frequent interruptions. In 2023 alone, heat-related worsening of sleep apnea is estimated to have caused the loss of around 800,000 healthy years of life across 29 countries. That's a huge number of people living with poorer health because their sleep is being disrupted by rising temperatures. It also resulted in over 100 million days of lost work. These are not just numbers. They represent real people facing real difficulties in daily life, made worse by something as basic as not being able to sleep properly. The future looks more worrying. If global temperatures continue to rise, the impact of sleep apnea could more than double by the end of the century. People in places like Europe may be more affected, partly because homes there are less likely to have air conditioning. Warmer nights without proper cooling mean even more people could develop or suffer worse symptoms of sleep apnea. The researchers behind the study believe this is a wake-up call. Sleep is one of the most essential parts of health, and climate change is quietly stealing it from many. They hope the findings lead to more awareness, better cooling options for sleep environments, and stronger climate action overall. Simply put, hotter nights are making it harder to breathe and rest. This silent cost of global warming is growing, and it's affecting people in their most vulnerable hours, when they are just trying to sleep.